Hi, I'm Chef Carl Food Whisperer, YouTube, and today I'll be making pork tenderloins, roasted pork tenderloins, in a mango habanero orange Grand Marnier sauce, so with a side of cornbread. I also like to thank a few people. Jenny from the barista from Starbucks at Mercy Health, and her two children, Jackson and Emery, who support the show, and I really appreciate it. And the folks at Sports Core, Fozzies Sports Core on Riverside, when we went there, I told them we needed 6 more subscriptions to hit 1,000, and they said, "Chef, we'll get them for you." And within 15 minutes, the whole staff signed on, and we hit our 1,000. So thank you, and thank you for everybody else that subscribes. I just want to say that today I'm not going to be doing anything silly, so because this is serious stuff. Blah! Okay, we'll be right back.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Hi, well, we're back now. The first thing we're going to do, I got 2 pork tenderloins. They're about 1.25 pounds. You don't want real heavy pork tenderloins because the bigger they are, the older the pig is. So, about 1 pound, 1.25 pounds, 1.5 pounds tops. Now I'm going to make the spice mix for that. I made a little spice mix already. And here we go. 2 rounded tablespoons of paprika. 1 rounded tablespoon of garlic powder. Come in. 1 rounded tablespoon of caraway seed. And 1 rounded tablespoon of salt. Just blend it all in, take your time. Now if you don't want to make a spice mix, just choose a pork rub. This is a hamburger rub you can use by Weber. So the whole idea is you want to add the caraway seed, that's the secret spice. So here I got the 2 pork tenderloins. You grab your pork, that doesn't sound right, and sprinkle a little seasoning on top. A little bit on the bottom, roll them over, give them a massage, and then the one thing before you don't want to do with your pork tenderloin or any meat is let it sit in the pan out of the refrigerator about 15 or 20 minutes. Bring the temperature closer to room temperature. They call that equilibrates. Otherwise, it's so cold the meat will cook well done on the outside and it'll be rare raw on the inside. Now I'm going to stick this in the oven at 375 for about 20 minutes. And I had the convection on, and what I did ahead of time is I just cooked 2 pork tenderloins and let them rest. They came out of the oven. Now we got the juices from them sitting, and I'm going to use that in our sauce. We have the juices from them sitting, and we'll put that in our sauce. I can smell that caraway seed and the garlic. Made some cornbread to put on the side of this, and it's similar to a spicy sweet and sour pork without the sour. So now we're going to make the sauce. You got brown sugar, 1/2 cup, a pint of habanero mango preserves. I got it at a craft show. A little orange marmalade. Some chunky red bell peppers. Mandolin orange segments. So now we're going to put the sauce together. We had half a cup of brown sugar, the 1 pint of mango habanero preserves I got at a craft show here in Candlewood. The lady makes them, they're delicious. I'm going to put about a half a jar of orange marmalade, that'd be about 5-6 ounces. And some sweet bell pepper I diced up. And some Grand Marnier that we're going to flambe. And we're going to let it cook down, make like a syrup, and then we're going to put it over the pork tenderloin. We're going to let this start to come to a simmer, and then we'll start adding the ingredients. And before I add the oranges, I'll put the Grand Marnier, light it, flame it, and then add the oranges. Unfortunately, I don't drink anymore because once I had my surgery, I can't afford to lose my balance, so, but it smells good. Then I add the orange marmalade into the pan. Not orange marmalade, the mango habanero sauce. Preserve. So this is the orange, not orange, mango habanero spread that I got at the craft show. Got the red peppers. And I think before I add any more ingredients, I'm going to add the Grand Marnier and flambe it, because if you have too much, the Grand Marnier gets diluted. Okay, now that this is a little warm, I'm going to add the Grand Marnier. One, two, nice little fire going. We're going to cook off all the Grand Marnier. Turning the heat down just a little bit so I don't catch on fire. Going to add the brown sugar. That's a half a cup. And about 2 tablespoons of orange marmalades, Schmuckers. If you leave the red peppers out, you could probably use this for a topping for ice cream or desserts. Okay, if you don't want to make it from scratch, I bought this at one of those stores, retail stores. It's got the habanero. This is a roasted pineapple and habanero, so it doesn't have to be orange, doesn't have to be mango. It's just the idea of what you're doing. Now it's starting to get a nice syrup. This is also cornbread that I made in the oven. And you can tell when it's done, it hits like 150, 160, and it separates away from the side. You can see how easy it comes out. And I always spray the pan. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to come back here. I'm going to slice a little bit of the pork tenderloin. I'm going to add a little bit of the cornbread, and then I'll garnish it, and Ward and I and my wife gets home with time to have some lunch. Now these are the 2 pork tenderloins I cooked, and I'm going to slice them up a bit, put them on a plate, and then put the sauce glaze that we made. You can see how juicy. And I cut them a little bit on a bias so it has an oval look to it. And I forgot the oranges. Shows you that we all make mistakes. And I'm saving the juice. I'll drink it later. Yeah. The roast pork, you see it's still a little pink. Got the cornbread, and now I'm going to put the glaze with the oranges. Whoa, that's hot. And there you have it. I can't wait to eat this pork. It looks good. We've got the finished product. We have the sliced pork tenderloin, medium rare, with habanero, mango, orange preserve glaze with some red peppers, some fresh cornbread. And I want to thank everybody that tunes in, and thank you for everybody that helped us hit 1,000 subscribers. And people are great. Continue watching us. Ward does a super job. I'm surprised he puts up with me. So Chef Carl saying, have a great day. Thank you to the people in the military people who serve this country. Thank you, Mike from Mike's Everyday BBQ, and grilling and chilling with Mojo also helped get my start. Have a great day. See you next month. We're going to make grilled ribeyes outside and bring a fork and knife. Bye.